Hi fellow, this one is disassembly and assembly and a little bit cleaning. This gun is not too dirty, it's my son's firearm. So this one is the Canik Mete. It shoots 9mm. I just want to show you around. So let's go start and I show you what's my tools that you can only get in the house, that you not spend a lot of money. So the only I buy is I show you, this one is the CL pre, brake pre. Alright. And this one, it says the CLP stand for the meaning of cleaner, lubrication, and protectant. Some paper towel to wipe your excess oil. The traditional 9 oops, and I just use this one, the marble, for oiling. And this one is the one of the best. I suggest to buy this one too. A gun oil from brand name is Lucas. And this one is another CLP that you can break all the dirt in your firearm. And this one is a needle. I recommend to buy this one too. It's nice and very easy to use. Some brass. I just cut the Hanes t-shirt, which is cotton, so I never buy that one. So this one, a rod and a little gloves, use brass, and a Q-tips right here. Put this one on the side, and this one's container to soak the parts of the firearm. The one is only used cans, and this one is the label for my mat. When it says tech mat, I just bought it for $10. And last is the bamboo stick, so that you can reach the tight spot that you cannot reach that. Okay, so that's it. Let's go start to cleaning. And just move this oil in a side so that you have some space to move, and put the oil and cleaners to the side too. Make sure you have a trash can next to you so that you can put all the dirty thing there. Put the gloves on. I'm left-handed, so I put the gloves on my right, and then I already opened the gun bore cleaner. I just do like this first, and after that just put this one on and on, open on, and then use your brush and just make this one really very quick, and make sure this ramp lips, it's clean. And put that one in the side, and here's the patches, and put some oil. So don't put a lot, and then right there, and get this part, and then clean as you see. If you can see, it's dirty, and as just like 2 to 3 passes, and when you see the patch is clean, so you can stop it. See, very so easily it's clean. And maybe a close-up look, you can tell it's very clean. And after that, you can use this gun oil. Just drop a little bit on the barrel and scrape it, and put the ones inside, so make sure that already clean. This one is you don't need to a lot of cleaning because it's not getting a lot of dirt from the ammo. So put this on the side, and after that, just get the barrel. I tell you, this one is not very dirty, but I show you how. And then get your Q-tips, put it, and then wipe it off all those dirt, most especially on this railing. That's the always getting some dirt right there too. So if you can see, it's dirty. You see the Q-tips, the swab is very dirty. And this one is always clean it meticulously, because you see how dirty is the. And if you can see it's dirty, throw it away and get another new one. Clean this part too. Now it look like nice and clean. Do a little bit touch up of another patch, and then use this one so that you can reach all the. So it's up to you how you want, how long to do it. So if you can see, it's not damaging the, because this one is only bamboo, so it's not metal. So that one is clean. Put that one in the side, and I just want to take care of the gloves so that it's not make your lower dirty. So this one is not too dirty, so you can tell. See, and this one there's no any need a lot of oil. So as long that you clean this part, this one you can clean it nice, because you can squeeze the trigger so that pop up that orange, the safety. And you can tell it's very clean. And now it's the final touch before you put back in. So just dab a little bit oil here, right there too. You don't need put a lot of oil. And here, put a little bit oil, and drop a little right there in a railing. And this one easy to put back on. Just drop the barrel, and this one is very straightforward. You can just put it in, and make sure align, and that'll be it. Just clean your slide and put this back in. I just tell you, just align to those cut, drop it, and slide it back. So put the magazine on and try the trigger. So back to light. I show you how light is the trigger. Okay, close-up look. That's the wall. Shoot it, and the reset. And right away the set is there. Alright, hope to you learned something tonight. Thanks for visiting my channel, and that's how you easy clean this Mete SFT 9mm pistol. This one is the cleaning, disassembly, and reassembly. Bye bye and more power. Subscribe to my channel. I'm out.